We have API keys. So you can very easily create an API key. You can decide what you want to call this. We'll call this one a test2. We create the key. Now the key's there. We can copy the key and put that into our application and click done when finished. I'm going to delete this one because we don't need this one. You've all seen it. It's now compromised. So I've now deleted the key and I can easily create a new one. Now I'll show you the API documentation that relates to these API keys, and I'll explain how they can be used. So we've got full documentation here. So when you log in, you get all of the details so you can implement all of the different elements into your platform. Now what this allows you to do is add new numbers, verify new numbers, delete numbers, add different forwarding elements, receive messages, manage anything you might want to do. This means you can actually build automation of numbering for agents into your workflows. So you don't need to manually come back to the Numbrrs platform to order a number. You then don't need to go and set up a forwarding. Your agent can create a webhook, can deliver the webhook to the platform, order itself a new number, and suddenly you've got an automated flow for enabling mobile numbers in the UK, receiving messages and onboarding onto various platforms. Also for 2FA, you might want to use it for Team 2FA and shared two-factor authentication, lots of different use cases.